Wait, shit, dude, it's a thumb. Shit.
Oh, shit, dude. Hey, fuck.
Stop, don't move.
Don't move him. Oh my God, don't move him.
There's a thumbtack stuck in backwards in his head.
No.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
it
in
is.
backwards.
It's a
Look,
fucking thumbtack.
it's in backwards. The bottom went in first.
Doesn't get crazy, that's a lot.
Oh! And it starts already in the...
He's got the chair. Oh, tosses it over there. Oh, snap.
Oh, shit.
Oh!
Rage.
Oh!
Yes, he's using a Tris. He's using a Tris.
It's a Tris move! Oh! Represent Malice! Oh! Snap! Malice!
Drive.
No. Into the attack! Oh! Oh! Oh, I got that! Oh!
To the face now.
Oh! Oh no!
God.
Not again! Ref! Come on, ref! 1, 2, 3!
Don't fucking...
Oh! Ref! 1, 2, 3! Ding, ding, ding!
Got one, go! Oh! Shit! Holy shit! Get me out here! And now, please! Go like this. Oh, no! Nicely done! Nice! Oh!
John, the other way!
Yes.
Oh, my!
Just get out! Oh! What are you doing? Sure. What you gonna do? Then we'll push that thumbtack on there! After that, you stop by barbed wire. Oh my God! How can you get?
In the ring, hammering away.
Ref!
What the hell?
We need a ref! Anthony!
I showed to it. Pressing them over his head. Please don't do it. Not under the barbed wire. It's over!
Oh, shit! What a brain!
That's what I want to see, Russell. Margarita!
I'm telling you. Look. Oh, we got something to worry. He thinks it's Christmas. Oh, fuck. Talking trash to him. He grabs his ass.
Oh, fuck!
I know it's gonna hurt. After all, it's rest.
Oh, fuck!
Right on the head. Do it. Hammer away.
Oh, shit!
Arms up. Could this be Fido's finisher?
Oh, shit.
Shit.
Oh, shit!
Wait a minute.
Oh, fuck!
No! No!
Oh, shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Everything's red. Now, Vince, come on. Vince Smith. Get the picture. Oh! The run. Oh, shit! Okay. You know, I tell you time and time again, the Ron is high class. The Ron. Oh my God! We're gonna have to rush straight out to the emergency room. If it wasn't last week at the. No. Shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, man. Attack! Straight cat goes for high time! It's over!
Bonds! Watch the close fist, Bonds! Straight cat!
Oh, tossing him outside!
Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Oh, tossing him outside! Oh shit! Don't tell me. No way. Oh, over the top! Don't tell me. Oh crap. Oh wait, that's a back body drop! Oh, on the ground! Yeah, start off the event!
Oh my God!
Hey, that's soda!
Oh my God, let's go!
That's mine. Oh shit. Let's go! Don't tell me!
Go! Go!
Oh! Holy shit! The camel's hump! John Marcher's finisher! The camel's hump! Oh! And the pin, 1, 2, 3, and it's over! John, you see what? Oh! You broke! Oh! John! You're fucking bleeding all over the place! No! Back to smashing levels.
You did not see that!
This was on a blade? Shit. That's the fucking cement. Oh shit. Oh! Shit. Holy shit!
Big's moving!
No!
Look at
No!
the camera!
I am. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Uh-oh!
Go, go!
It's over.
Yes, man. Straight back.
Straight cat, straight cat, straight cat, straight cat.
I look like it hurt.
Takes a face full of light bulbs, pops him right in the face. Oh, he kicks again. Oh my God! Decap! Timeout, Ryan Rage. Oh! It's on.
Don't call it before it happens.
It's on. Running shit! Oh my God! Running shit!
I know.
What the hell's going on there? Oh! Kicking his own.
And now,
He gets straight cat face full of barbed.
wait, what happened?
He almost broke that bar player match! Onto a straight cat. Getting by slam. He's in the chair behind him. Trap contact. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Stray cat with a foot-wire.
Oh! Shit! I'm at bottom off! Oh my!
Don't tell me!
Break that grab by straight cat!
No, wait!
No, you not so you can't!
What the hell?
Oh my God! DVD from the Larry!
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh shit! Yeah!
I know. That's why Raiders finish. If it gets it, it's over. One, two, three.
Hey, where?
Oh! Fuck!
It's a race into a corner of bummer. No time. Oh!
What's this, reverse?
A reverse. The suicide note. Oh! 1, 2, 3, and that's it.
One, two, three.
And the winner of this match, Stray Cat.
John Marcher.
Oh, nice hip toss to the solid concrete ground. Correct. Oh no, he's just got. Oh! That chair shot is relativity of the new co-champion dreamer of the SCW.
Up to the foot. Oh.
To the ropes, to the ropes. Oh! Drop kick. John Marshall landed a leg drop. Unbelievable. Oh, chair shot. Come on, John. Stop these chair shots. Oh, not a flag to the. Oh, he's banging him in the ass. What is this? Oh! Something happened.
Yeah, baby!
Oh! Let's get Montgomery!
Come on, guys. Give me the
Camel's out,
first
baby.
about this match.
2, 3! Yeah, John!
No, I think Claudia is tagging with Trizzy. No, I guess not.
Count it, dude! 1!
Oh, and strikeout. And Superflex is coming up. Oh, Show's holding up. A vertical fisherman? No, I guess not. That was nice. Got that.
I got $1.
What? Oh, he's going for the pentagram. Oh! And that was Eric Corona. Okay, we're gonna say he's got maybe 3 lines left. Oh! Hey, Anthony Elgin is constantly getting fucked up. That was. No, he's kicking it away. Ron Eddie. See the show? No! Pentagram! Pentagram! What's going on now? Are they still fighting? Oh! No!
Hey, you got that
Freeze up, Trace!
You're gonna die!
Oh! It's spin! Oh! Too deep! Too deep! Too deep! Too deep! Oh, he looks like the one that can drive!
Straight Cat's talking the shit out of Jamie Blaze. God damn, this is a great match. Great match right here by Straight Cat so far.
Stray Cat taking it to Jamie Blaze.
Oh, shit.
Say something.
Oh my God. Back from the mousetrap. Oh!
Oh my God, what's he up to? Takes it to the side. Oh my God! It's all the light bulbs. I get pissed off because when I have a busted out light bulb in my bathroom. Oh! Crossed into the back of the head with that shit. Oh! This is a nice measure, huh? Oh my God! Stab him in the fucking head with this goddamn light bulb. For Stray Cat.
Fuck yeah, Stray
He's dripping blood like, oh my God, dragon attack missed into the thumbtack. Oh, what's Stray Cat up to? Yeah. Acid drop. Oh! Beautiful move by Stray Cat. Jamie Blaze trying to get Stray Cat up. You motherfucker, you do it. Holy shit! Holy shit! Stray Cat wins another one. What's a pentagram?